Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a pop-up text effect in Adobe After Effects. This is a simple and effective way to add dynamic text to your videos. Let's get started. First, open After Effects and create a new composition. Select the Type tool from the toolbar and click in the composition area to type your text. Once you have your text, position it in the center of the composition. To do this, you can use the Align panel to center it both horizontally and vertically. Next, you need to adjust the anchor point of the text to be in the middle. Select the Pan Behind tool, shortcut Y, and drag the anchor point to the center of the text. This ensures the scaling will occur from the center of the text. Now, with the text layer selected, press S on your keyboard to bring up the scale options. Move your playhead to the beginning of the timeline, then click the stopwatch icon next to Scale to create your first keyframe. Set the scale value to 0. Next, move the playhead a few frames forward, around 10 frames, and set the scale value to 130. This will make the text grow larger than its final size, giving it a pop-up effect. Then, move the playhead another few frames forward, another 10 frames or so, and set the scale value back to 100. This will bring the text down to its normal size. To make the animation smoother, you need to easy ease the keyframes. Select all the keyframes by clicking and dragging over them, then press F9 on your keyboard. This will change the keyframes to easy ease. Now, let's adjust the speed of the animation using the Graph Editor. With the keyframes still selected, click on the Graph Editor button in the Timeline panel. You'll see a graph that represents the speed of the animation. Adjust the handles on the keyframes to create a smooth, curved transition. This will make the pop-up effect more natural. Once you're satisfied with the graph, exit the Graph Editor and preview your animation by pressing the spacebar. You should see your text pop up smoothly. That's it for this tutorial on how to create a pop-up text effect in Adobe After Effects. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.